Well, turn the video off first.
Okay. Beep.
Did you actually turn it off?
No.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
So,
Yeah.
So here's the deal. Last you saw us, we were in Florida. We traveled from Florida up the East Coast, visited some friends, visited your brother,
Took a lot of footage.
took a lot of footage, went to Niagara Falls. It was really fun. Then we headed back to Beulah because it's spring and it's time for us to get on the property. And got to Beulah, started packing up, left Beulah, and left our computer with all the footage for the last few videos.
A
in
time
Beulah.
capsule, if you will.
Yes, for us to find in years to come when we go back. No, probably we'll have Jordan go get it and send it to us. So probably I'll be able to get some of the rest of that footage out here in a few weeks. But we're going to start fresh. Well, this is like new adventure.
I know. It's like catching up on all the video we left behind.
Yeah, we'll do that. But now we're starting the new adventure. And so basically we're going to start this video probably with just packing up in Beulah
Yep.
and heading up. And that's where we are right now. We're in Wyoming and we're driving towards Idaho. But we just had to catch you up on that.
Yeah, we're a little out of order because about a month of footage is sitting behind the couch. Don't
Yeah.
ever put your laptop behind the
No.
couch. If your kids say, "Dad, you're gonna forget it," then
And you say, no,
"Yeah,
no, I'm not going to forget it.
No, don't do it.
It's all right. We'll move on.
Moving on. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
I'm excited!
We're almost back to Beulah, Colorado, where we have, well, my perspective, all the tools.
Right.
I want to get all the tools.
All our stuff.
I want to go to Idaho.
And we're going to go to Idaho.
Go!
1 week. 1 week till we go to Idaho.
1 week.
I know.
It'll be about a week to get there.
It's been 9 months in the making. So
Everything we put on pause, everything we just like put away and said, okay, we'll need this
someday.
next year. It's now.
Yeah. It's crazy. We're ready.
I'm scared to death.
Yeah.
There's so many unknowns. There's just a million things that I'm not ready for.
Yeah.
But I'm so excited.
You're like giddy.
I'm giddy. I'm thinking, it's stupid, but I'm like, okay, I'm going to make sure that generator runs and put it in the truck. And then just the next thing and the next thing. I'm just so excited.
Right. There's a lot to do this week.
Oh, there's a lot to do.
Yeah.
A lot to do. We have a whole list of things we have to do in Colorado, closing bank accounts and getting our mail. Like we have new pieces of mail we have to pick up in person and getting some stuff done for the new trailer.
Yep.
But I'm just pumped.
We're almost there.
We're almost there. And then I don't know what we're gonna do with the trailer there. Do you know? Park it on the road.
Just park it on the road. Start packing.
Start packing. You
That's right.
know, we have a serious weight concern.
I know, but I want all my things.
Yes.
I know.
Your
Weight
things
is still
are
a
all
concern.
made of cast iron and stone.
They are, and I'm so excited to have them all back. I still have things to buy, but when we get there, at least that'll put off the wait a little longer, right?
I got a lot of tools to buy, repurchase, stuff
Yeah.
that I sold at garage sales or just were never any good anyway. And I just
Now you can get high quality ones and feel like
Yeah.
they're going to be a workhorse for you,
Yeah.
right?
We've talked a lot about how we budget for that and how we just really have to just decide this is what we've been saving for, and it's not a sky's the limit situation, but we funded this project well. We just got to go buy some good stuff. Small tools, big tools, everything that we don't already have that we kept from the suburban life. And I'm excited about that too. I'm gonna buy some new tools. That's a very exciting thing.
And it's going to be great. It's going to be fun because you get to purchase some new things, but it is going to make you feel like you can really have the tools you need to build quality items. You know, build our house and not feel like you're jimmy rigging stuff because you have this tool that isn't quite what you need.
Right.
You know, it'll be really nice.
It's an investment in the future
Yeah, it is.
to learn a skill from the past.
Yeah. It's exciting.
I'm excited.
I want chickens.
I'm excited.
All the chickens.
I'm
It's gonna be great. All the animals. I mean, seriously, like Megan and I were talking like, can we pick up chickens like on our way up the mountain? You know, just like
Hey,
we're so
chickens, give 'em
excited.
back.
That's right.
We
Probably
cannot.
not.
The answer is no.
Come on. They don't take up much room. I'll just hold it in my lap. Maybe it'll lay an egg while it's at it.
Are you holding a chicken now? It's
I'm so
my
excited.
Social, what do you call it?
Social distancing.
It's my emotional
Emotional support chicken. Oh, I should have used that.
And the rest of them are also my emotional support chicken.
All the chickens.
Are we gonna fit everything in?
I hope so.
I don't know. This is just my stuff.
Yeah, but I don't have that much. I mean, it's me and the kids and household things.
We gotta eat all this. And about half of that. All of this. And this seat.
We still can never find tissues. Maybe we have 4 boxes.
That's awesome. One
Yeah,
on
you
each
can have
row.
them.
Well,
We cleaned out the van and look.
and look, we found tissue. Apparently.
Wow, we could sell it on the black market right now.
I know, right?
We're moving.
We're moving.
This is real. We're actually moving.
I'm feeling really kind of overwhelmed, actually, with trying to decide what to take now because I want it all. I want like to decorate my house, but obviously I don't have a house yet. But
This is for real moving. We haven't really moved yet. We just put stuff away, but now we're deciding what goes.
yeah, not everything though, and that's what's hard. I think we're about out. I had a really hard time today because even though I know it's probably not the last time we're coming here, we still have to come back and get the rest of our stuff. I've had to make more decisions, you know, about what can come now and what needs to wait 6, 8, 12 months, we don't know, until we actually have a house or at least a barn to put stuff in so that while we're building the houses we could get out of here. I know we're going to sell it probably next year. And so, I don't know, I've just been emotional. Part of it maybe is just being emotional about the coming adventure, being really scared of it, being really excited about it, knowing it's going to be really hard. But kind of saying goodbye to here, to even though our camper's been our home for the last 9 months, Colorado has been our home. It's been my home my whole life. This has been really a hard decision for me to leave Colorado. If I could have found a homestead here that worked for us. I know this will be good. It's just really hard to move on. And while we'll come back and visit, this isn't going to be my home anymore. So it's been really hard. Kind of made me procrastinate getting ready. because I don't want to leave yet. Saying goodbye to Jordan and Lily, knowing that we're not going to see them for a while. They'll come visit. We'll come visit, but it's not the same.
I think we're going to take that with us.
I don't think
I think we can. We're really excited about finally leaving Colorado, and we're about 5 days away from being on the land in Idaho. The dread is starting to become very real. Thinking of all the things we don't have and everything that we're not quite prepared for and don't even know exactly how to do. We've ordered some infrastructure for water, but we don't have a well yet. So we're going to be capturing water and hauling water for at least a little while. Still don't have a tractor. There's a few on Craigslist that look interesting, but as it happens, the season's such that everyone's buying the tractors in the spring, and so the prices are going up. So I may have missed my chance to get a good deal, but we'll try anyway. It's going to be a pretty exciting day. We're taking basically everything we own into the van, the truck, a car, and 2 trailers, and I'm going to start the convoy. Tonight's goal is to get to Cheyenne, Wyoming. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning right now, getting some breakfast and coffees together, and last minute things put in the vehicles. We still don't quite have everything we need for the new trailer, so we have to stop in town, try to get a spare tire and some chains. But little by little we're putting it together. We're gonna get on the road.
Go. I wish I would have done an unboxing. A couple days ago we got all of our seeds. I ordered something in the neighborhood of 93 packets of seeds from Baker Creek, and it's a lot of seeds. I mean, I had this box for my seeds and it was empty, and I thought, what a great place to keep my seeds when I get them, and they really just don't fit. And so I'm like trying to figure out, oh, there's another one.